AVGO stock analysis and AVGO stock prediction. In this brief and short 1-minute video, I'm going to be breaking down my exact play and everything. Broadcom, very nice approach, because you know, beforehand me, I absolutely cut it out to the dot. You might think I'm BSing here. Bro, look at this. Look at the literal proof. This was made when it was 166 bucks. I was aiming for at least 250. 2 months back, 1st of April. Since then, it's been absolutely delivering. And ironically, man, if this doesn't freaking, I mean, it did sort of give me that. So I just want to see it, you know, deliver. If not, it's good. You know, it's still a decent demand. We can still get re-involved and re-engaged. But it's all about the momentum. Want to keep with it. I have previous receipts here. If you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description. Get my free emails and insights. Absolutely free. Yeah, also this, I mean, the fastest way to stay tuned with the AVGO is that free insight. So goodbye and enjoy.